We're headlining this block with Bitcoin, which has just dropped below $17,000 per coin. There is news going on here. This is the story of the day, especially if you're in crypto. FTX, the big exchange, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The chief executive, Sam Bankman-Fried, has resigned. Susan running into the studio with last-minute news. What do we got?
Yeah, so I was just sifting through a lot of the commentary this morning on the stunning FTX collapse. So the latest being Larry Summers, the former Treasury Secretary, calling it a possible Enron in his view. Ooh. You have other commentators saying that they feel they were duped because Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX, was one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, and he was effectively the poster child for this new asset class. Now, as for others involved here, the contagion effect, this voluntary bankruptcy filing is 130 subsidiaries, and that does include FTX International and, yes, the U.S. trading arm as well. Only Ledger X, digital markets in Australia are excluded from this bankruptcy filing, but there is talk about contagion effect because FTX at its peak was worth $32 billion and Bankman-Fried himself was worth close to $20 billion. And now they need to pay back 100,000 creditors. If you look through the balance sheet, liabilities and assets are pretty much the same, $10 to $50 billion. So there's no spare cash there to pay back those that are owed. But you also have to remember that SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried, was saving a lot of these crypto companies that went under this year after that Three Arrows hedge fund blow up and the Luna stablecoin blow up, and that includes BlockFi. If we can bring up that quote once again, BlockFi saying last night that they themselves were dismayed and disappointed by the news regarding FTX and Alameda, and they only found out on Twitter like everybody else. So as a result, they have now stopped withdrawals and limiting platform activity. And there's a lot of questions about that. Who's been involved here? Also, you have a lot of celebrities that are paid endorsers and some with actual equity in the company itself. If we can bring up this celebrity board for you, of course, Tom Brady, Giselle. Yep. They were two of the marquee endorsers, and they had warrants actually in FTX. We have no dollar amount in terms of how much they actually owned in the company, but Naomi Osaka was involved. Steph Curry as well was paid, and Larry David had that famous Super Bowl commercial. Also, speaking of sports, you know that Miami Arena is being sponsored by FTX. That was a 19-year deal, $135 to $180 million. You know, we did some digging, and there's a $5 million payment that is expected in the next few months to the Miami-Dade area. Now, will FTX be able to pony that up? Also, is there an arena curse? Yep. But, you know, this is such a knock on cryptocurrency. There's an awful lot of people losing an awful lot of money because they can't get their money out of crypto. But that's where we stand. It really just is such a bad mark for this asset class, which a lot of people had questioned anyways, right? And it looks like there's some contagion because the Dow is down 300 points. I know it dropped a little bit more when we heard from you and Larry Summers. Here's what I wanted to ask you, because yes, the Dow is down. NASDAQ, which is how cryptocurrency trades, is actually up in the session. Okay, got it. Susan, great stuff. Thank you very much for jumping on that so fast. We appreciate that.